Okay, somebody getting the back tire, y'all. Man, he got some real crazy. What happened? Oh, okay, yeah, y'all live. Where y'all from?
South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina.
Oh, yeah.
From Summerville, South Carolina.
Oh, yeah, and you say you enjoying yourself?
It's my first time.
Oh, this is her first time, y'all. She was a virgin.
I come every year.
Oh, you come every year?
Bounty hunter, honey.
Bounty hunter? Who getting the back tire?
I like it right here.
Oh, right lane for the win, y'all. Something came off left lane car. He didn't pop it. He was giving it all it had, y'all. He probably heard it pinging and still didn't get out of it. Golly. Oh, he the one got golly. Monk's Corner. Hey, they talking about Monk's Corner, South Carolina. You know what that's at? You ain't been over there.
From Summerville, so Monk's Corner is about 30 minutes from my house.
Oh, yeah, you going over there? Yeah, my partner over there.
That's where my hairdresser stays.
Oh, for real?
I get my hair done in Monk's Corner.
What? I know my boy, Creek Squad. Jigs over there. Creek Squad. You ever heard of them? Yeah, that's my boy. He over there.
Welcome me.
Oh, you trying to get welcome? Hey, y'all, somebody come welcome her, y'all.
You are racist.
We're looking for a welcomer. What happened? She said she on my YouTube channel. Okay, tell her, man.
Hey, I just want the world to know there's nobody here fucking with Illuminati 2.0.
Yeah.
You heard it from the driver.
Illuminati 2.0.
Anybody on the property.
What?
Anybody. A lawyer, chosen one. Well, I done fucked up chosen one.
Okay.
Anybody.
Okay,
Just
big.
want to let you know.
They said Illuminati 2.0, man. Y'all don't want none of him. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You is? Oh yeah, you on there too. You already on. I gave you a card, miss. You on? What? I mean, she talking about she new to it. Hey, miss. This is my YouTube channel, miss. Yeah, check that out. Look out racing. That QR code take you straight to it. The QR code gonna take you straight to it. Yeah, let me see you scan it real quick so you can become a subscriber. Yeah, subscribe. Man, you trying to say
it's my B-Day too. Add me on Instagram. Dashed out.
That is Instagram, man. Yeah. North Carolina, it's going down over there. She for real over here, y'all. She ain't playing no game. Represent it one more time. Oh.
We ain't come out here for no 8 hours.
Yeah, I'm scared of her.
8-hour ride here.
8 hours.
My son's birthday.
Yeah. The laws better not pull her off. She gonna let them know. It's been 8 hours. She got money on racing down here. Ooh, y'all. I'm scared of her. What happened? Oh no, that's for the drone footage. You ain't gotta pay $4.99 just subscribe. Subscribing is free. You on that, miss?
Got you, baby.
You press subscribe. Hey, you gotta hit that button right there. Subscribe. And then there you go. You subscribed on that. Appreciate it, man. What about you? You still lost? Oh, I thought you was gonna be unlost by now.
You know why? Because I paid for the.
What you pay for? Oh, me See, I pay.
Want me to just go?
Oh yeah, see, I'm live now. See,
Yeah.
look. You subscribe. Let me show you something. Hold on, wait a minute now.
Okay,
you
you
moving
do.
too fast.
Okay, babe.
Let me get you subscribed. Let's bam. That's one time for the one time. Hit that button. Show the notification.
Okay.
Go back. Do it one more time. Where it go? Okay. Subscribe. Okay, you already subscribed. Bell and hit the all. Bam. You gonna be notified now. You on point now. Man, he got a turbo. I'm wrong with the left car. We got Memphis in the house.
Oh, yeah. I got you, bro.
You got me. They gonna show you around. Somebody said they gonna show you around on there. They gonna show you something. You just stay tuned. I'm gonna go back up here, y'all. Y'all think I need to go back up here, or go back? She just bought a 2 year subscription. Well, that's funny. Look at all these people here, y'all.
You have the drone?
Yeah, I'm the one flying the drone. Yeah, you gonna be yeah, but you gotta pay for that part. I put it up there a little bit for free. Yeah, but I'ma change it. Okay. I should invest in a good camera. I want this lane. What side? You inside? Inside. I take outside. You out there? Oh, $10. $10. Oh, that's my money. I'm about to go up here, y'all. Alabama in the house, y'all. Well, I ain't had nothing to drink. My mouth dry. Woo!